Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires, pocket-style fender flares, and bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires, running boards down below too, so you can have an easier time getting in. And first, just looking at the back, where you have the new power tailgate, opens up for you. And then the new tailgate has also a rugged work surface on it with measurements and holes for your clamps and stuff like that, as well as a 400-watt power outlet right there. And with 2 clicks of the remote, it goes right back up. But let's take a look inside. Now looking at the back, where you have seating for 3 spaciously with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more in the middle here, with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, as well as a 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats which can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here. You have a fully digital cluster with your trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance features, and fuel economy. You can also exit out and go to truck info, such as tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance. Then you also have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and adaptive cruise control, I believe, or distance pacing technology. Also have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, where you can go through any of those things, much like My View, and whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again for the front and 360, hazards, hill descent assist, traction control shut off, and then above that you do have a premium B&O audio system in this truck, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as having drive mode selector here. Once we get rid of that, you have slippery, which we just switched to, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is somewhat unique to certain trucks, for going over rough terrain, of course, tow haul mode, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet there, and this button above to open this compartment above your glove box. And then you have this down here, which opens up to reveal a USB, USB-C, and a slot for your phone. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed, so you can have more space here in general. And then 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious and has a removable tray, as well as another USB and USB-C. But then looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top, so you can land in the sunshine. That should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.